Everybody loves memes, but could we ever imagine that they would rule the crypto industry in 2021? Definitely not. Hands down, 2021 was the year of meme tokens. In this video, we'll dive into the meme coins phenomenon and share our top 5 favorite meme coins. What are meme tokens? Basically, meme tokens are cryptocurrencies. They hold most of the features that any other cryptocurrency does. They're based on blockchain technology. They can be traded, exchanged, kept in a crypto wallet, used as a means of payment, etc. The thing which makes them remarkable is that the creation of a meme token is inspired by popular social media jokes and puns. In fact, the first ever meme token, Dogecoin, was created as a joke and parody, yet as of this day, there are already more than 100 meme tokens listed on CoinMarketCap. The main difference with classical cryptocurrencies is that meme tokens usually don't have measurable, real value and long-term purpose. Meme tokens are also extremely community-driven. One tweet, one Instagram post from an influencer can literally ruin or revive meme tokens. People buy and support them being followed by emotions in order to contribute to something they think is fun and entertaining, along with trying their fortune or making a quick buck. As we already mentioned, there was a boom of meme tokens this year. They didn't just grow in number and variety, they also became more accepted in society. Let's take a look at the most successful of them. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Kishu Inu, Floki Inu, and several other meme tokens based on the memes with dogs were trending this year. The most popular one of them is probably Shiba Inu, a token based on a Japanese dog called Shiba Inu. In a year since its creation, Shiba Inu in 2021 made it to the top 10 most prominent cryptocurrencies with a $32 billion market cap. Shiba Inu describes itself as an experiment in spontaneous community building. Shiba Inu is planning to follow the Dogecoin footsteps. This project also uses a picture of a worldwide love dog as its main image and grew from a joke meme token into a full-sized ecosystem. The Shiba Inu community offers a variety of activities to support the same named breed of dogs all around the world. By supporting the community, people help to rescue those dogs that need help. The next one is a well-known Dogecoin. Doge appeared as a joke based on a well-known meme in December 2013 and unexpectedly grew into an amazingly successful project. We all had a chance to witness a skyrocketing of the Doge price after the famous Elon Musk's tweets. Dogelon Mars closely follows the doggy duo in terms of popularity. This coin was named after Tesla CEO Elon Musk and his passion for his company SpaceX. The project was launched in April 2021, but already has thousands of holders and fans. Moreover, Elon price has surged over 3,780% during November 2021. The Dogelon Mars team announced that they will be venturing into the world of DeFi and NFTs in the near future. The next meme token that is worth your attention is Hoge Finance. It is a community-driven DeFi project that rewards its users for holding crypto. The Hoge launch was intended to be a deflationary Doge, but DeFi. However, its founders created it with a vision of making it more philanthropic. Moreover, it's the first meme coin that has completed the CERTIC audit. Another popular meme token is MonaCoin. This coin of Japanese origin is based on a meme of a cat-like figure. Its first appearance happened on WBS TV network Tokyo, where a man was said to be buying a piece of land in Nagano with MonaCoin. Even though MonaCoin is a meme token, it's approved by Japan's financial service agency. To sum up, meme coins are a very interesting and entertaining trend in the crypto world. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao in a recent interview with the Economic Times said that, quote, "Meme coins show the power of decentralization. If a large enough number of people in the community values it because it's cute, because they like the meme, then it has value." Well, we cannot disagree with that, but want to add that the success of each meme coin depends entirely on the activity of its developers and community. So don't forget to do your own research before getting into meme coins. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.